So today I'm starting with the water pump installation. All I really did here was just degrease it and took a wire brush to it. Right here I made sure that none of the old gasket was on there. Just use a razor blade just to clean it off. I need to purchase new bolts for the water pump. I'm getting these at Ace, so right here I'm using my caliper to get the depth. That way I can write everything down with no guesswork. So once I get the measurement, I put it on my phone, write it all out, so when I go to the store, it's all on my phone. Here's how it looks on my phone. All of these are just how deep the bolts can go. They won't actually be that long. So here's the finished product. New bolts, grade 8. 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of VHT satin black.